$100, $1,000, or $2,000 are all potential earnings that you could simply make by using Google Translate. So the best part is that it's completely free. You don't have to pay anything to do it, and it's available worldwide. No matter where you are, you can use today's method and start making money online. It will take some effort, but the earning potential is high as long as you approach it with the right expectations. So, what are you waiting for? Listen to this video until the end and earn up to $600 using Google Translate. So you have to stick with me, alright? Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about this fast way to earn money online. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So the first step is to navigate to the website Latium.org. This is the website Latium Freelancing. So Latium Freelancing is a micro job website that claims to allow you to earn money by doing small tasks, okay? If you're unfamiliar with the term micro job site, so basically it's a website where employers post jobs that are typically one-time opportunities for site members. So the member will then only have to apply for that job, and if accepted, he or she must complete it within the time frame specified. But they have recently begun to have more and more larger projects that you can do as a freelancer to earn more money. To fully comprehend how Latium Freelancing works, we must first examine the earning opportunities it provides. So this should also give you an idea of how much money you can make. So this site's main source of income is its projects, okay? When you log into the website, you can see all of the available projects for the freelancer section. So you can also filter the projects based on the category to which they belong. The category will indicate the type of project. So it could be surveys, graphics and design, app downloads, data entry and collection, translation and languages, video and animation, and other categories are available. So I want you to simply click on the project that interests you to begin working on it. You will then be directed to the project details page. You see, in order to begin working on a project, you must first bid on it. I know. When bidding on a project, you must specify the amount you want to be paid as well as the delivery date or the date you can finish the project. So the amount you can request should be within the scope of the project's budget, which is also shown on the details page, so you should read about that. The date, on the other hand, is extremely important. You must ensure that you deliver the requirements by the deadline you specified, or your credibility as a freelancer will suffer. So this is a reminder that don't just enter any date you want. You must make an educated guess as to when you will be able to complete the project. So if your bid is accepted but you fail to meet the deadline, which is a big oh no, you'll not only not be paid, but you will also lose your credibility as a freelancer. So okay, in this scenario, if your offer is accepted, you must ensure that the deliverables are submitted by the deadline you specified. So the employer will then review your work, and if everything is in order, the payment will be credited to your Latium Freelancing account balance. So you are free to work on as many projects as you want. However, keep in mind that some of their projects will require you to be a verified freelancer account, while others will not. So before you place a bid, double check that. This is visible in the top right corner. If it says verified only, you must be verified to bid on this project. Latium Freelancing is available worldwide, okay? You can sign up as a freelancer regardless of where you live, but you must be at least 18 years old. So to sign up, I want you to go to their homepage and click the sign up free button. You will then be required to enter your email address. After that, you will receive a confirmation email. So to confirm your registration, just simply click the link in the email. If you want to be a freelancer, just click on the I want to work button. After that, you'll need to fill out the rest of the sign up form with your login and profile information. After completing the form, you can now log into the site and begin bidding on projects. So when you're on the website, you can jump around to different available projects, but some will be unfamiliar to you. So just keep going and focus on the translation and language in the top right-hand corner. There are a lot of translation projects. So there are many translations available, including Hindi to English, Japanese to English, Spanish to English, and many more. Speaking of languages, learning a new one or knowing another language your whole life is so cool. You know what? I want to know the languages you guys know. Let me know in the comment section below so that we can talk about it and maybe learn more about it. Okay, not everyone may know those languages or can translate fluently. So if you're not fluent in these languages, don't worry because you can use Google Translate by simply searching on Google. Google Translate is a multilingual neural machine translation service created by Google that allows users to translate text, documents, and websites from one language to another. So you can copy-paste a Hindi sentence and Google Translate will translate it into any language you want. Okay, for example, suppose you are given the task of translating a Spanish article into English. Simply copy and paste the paragraph from the article into Google Translate. It will then detect the language and translate it for you. So you can use this method to repeat the same process over and over again, or you can just submit the entire document and Google Translate will translate everything inside it for you. Google Translate can not only translate words and phrases, but also entire documents such as plain text and rich text documents, Microsoft Word documents, HTML, and even PDFs. According to Google's frequently asked questions, the file size limit for translating documents is 1 MB, so keep in mind that the larger the document, the longer it will take to translate. So in order to use Google Translate on an entire document, you have to first open a web browser and go to translate.google.com. You don't need a Google account to use it because it's available to everyone, okay? I want you to click the Documents button, okay? Then click Browse to navigate to a document on your hard drive that you want to translate. At the top left of the window in which your document appears, choose the language that document is already in. So for example, Spanish. Or Google Translate can also detect the language automatically. Isn't that awesome? On the right, choose the language you want the document translated into. So for example, you want it to be translated into English. Then just click the Translate button. So you're just simply copying and pasting the translated text from the browser window into a new document. And boom! You now have a translated article and you can immediately submit this. One of the most significant advantages of Google Translate is its speed. So an experienced translator can translate about 2,000 words in an average workday. So that's 300 to 400 words per hour. It's depending on the difficulty of the text. Google Translate, on the other hand, can produce a translation with the same number of words in seconds, so you can earn up to $600 faster. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account now and start translating documents from Latium through Google Translate now. Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. Nos vemos!